Ever wondered when the key to your crypto kingdom first appeared? When did the sleek, secure Tangem Wallet make its grand entrance onto the scene, promising to put the power of blockchain right in your pocket? Well, you're not alone. The buzz around hardware wallets has been steadily growing, and Tangem has definitely carved out a unique space with its focus on simplicity and security. So, let's dive into the timeline and uncover when this innovative piece of tech first became available. To truly understand Tangem's launch, it's helpful to zoom out for a moment and look at the broader landscape of cryptocurrency hardware wallets. Early adopters of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies quickly realized the need for secure offline storage to protect their digital assets from online threats. This led to the emergence of companies developing dedicated hardware devices, offering a significant step up in security compared to software wallets or exchanges. Against this backdrop, Tangem emerged with a slightly different approach. Instead of the typical screen and button interface, Tangem opted for a sleek, card-like design. This focus on simplicity and ease of use aimed to make hardware wallets more accessible to a wider audience, not just the technically savvy. Now, let's get to the big question: when did Tangem Wallet officially launch? Tangem first introduced its physical crypto wallet cards in 2019. That's when the initial vision of a secure and user-friendly hardware wallet in the form factor of a bank card became a reality for consumers. However, the journey didn't stop there. Tangem has continued to evolve and refine its product offerings. In 2022, they launched the Tangem Wallet 2.0, building upon the foundation of the original with enhanced features and a more streamlined user experience through their mobile application. This second-generation wallet further solidified Tangem's position in the market, offering support for a wider range of cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks. So, while the initial launch of the Tangem Wallet cards occurred in 2019, the introduction of the significantly updated Tangem Wallet 2.0 in 2022 marked another important milestone in the company's history and the evolution of their product line. It's worth noting that the crypto space moves at lightning speed. Since its initial launch, Tangem has continued to adapt to the changing needs of the market, adding support for new cryptocurrencies, implementing advanced security protocols, and focusing on user-friendly design. Their commitment to accessibility and security has resonated with many in the crypto community looking for a straightforward way to manage their digital assets. Therefore, when you hear about Tangem Wallet, remember its initial appearance in 2019, followed by the significant advancements and broader adoption that came with the Tangem Wallet 2.0 in 2022. These dates mark key moments in Tangem's journey to providing secure and accessible cryptocurrency storage solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.